Good morning, everybody. It is a kind of a dreary day here in Chicago. Walking home from work, it was beautiful. Then, right around the time I'm putting my kid to bed, the weather dropped 20 degrees, and it got kind of cruddy out again. It said, "Hello, October. Goodbye, September." Is kind of the feeling I got. And, today is the last day of September, last day of the third quarter, last day of a lot of stuff. So let's talk about events. Don't forget on Saturday, that's October 4th, we're doing our special Intro to the VIX and VIX ETP Trading Primer. If you are not checking it out, you are making a mistake. So come check it out. It's going to be a good time. 47 bucks. What else are you going to do with $47? What else are you going to do with 47 bucks? Pretty nice stuff. All right, folks, so let's talk about the markets. We were up, the futures were up all morning, and then since we opened, they've since sold off. Now, interestingly, yesterday we were off 5 bucks, VIX up a point. Today we're up down $4, VIX up 0.2. So not really a big deal today. I think you may see the VIX creep maybe a touch higher over the next day or two, but not a lot. Then into non-farms. That's really where we're going to see some real VIX movement. This may be a little bit of a fade the open, but then buy into the weakness. So we may see a little bit of a charge higher. I'm not seeing a lot of reasons to think that we're going to have some sort of blast off lower. Not a lot of catalysts. I mean, there's some good things happening. You have the big eBay split. So everybody I was telling that eBay looked too cheap for 49 bucks, you're welcome. And I was loudly exclaiming it. Never mind the fact that I said GoPro is too expensive at 60. It's eBay up an extra $4 that really matters, in terms of market cap, right? There are some real, as I look at what's going on, VXST still trading above VIX, so that's an issue. But the VIX curve is completely contangoed, so there's no expectation of like a huge rise. Markets are generally still pricing in bullishness. It's just, we had a week of real movement that should cause the VIX to rally. So now the question is, do we flush out or do we blow up? My guess is we probably flush out and then things rally, but you just don't know. But the way they're pricing stuff, the way they're moving, the way things have moved historically over the last couple of months, these little sell-offs that scare people, and we get kind of testing the 50-day, testing the 100-day. They've been shaking out. And I don't see a huge catalyst to cause us to want to really shake out. I mean, look at, the big thing was interest rates. Well, now look at the bond market. Look at TLT. Look at the bond market. It's right back to where it was. Any of those fears were wiped out. So, I mean, take a look at a 5-day chart of TLT. It's unbelievable, the rally. So, I think for today, expect the VIX to end up down on the day, and I think that we're likely to see the S&P green. That's the way I see things. VIX futures will probably be down on the day as well. That's probably bearish VXX and UVXY. So with that, I hope everybody has a great day. You can email me, marketoptionpick.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE01, and I will talk to you soon.